Hello, friends. I'm Alexius Varro, here to guide you through another transformative day of Stoic living. Today, we're diving into day 65, cutting down on costly things from our Stoic practice book. We'll explore how simplifying our lives can lead to deeper happiness and peace. Let's begin with a powerful quote from Seneca, one of the great Stoic philosophers. Therefore, whatever we chase after and strive for at great effort, we should consider whether it is simply devoid of anything pleasant or if it contains more unpleasantness. One is unnecessary, the other is not worth its price. But we don't notice this. We think we are getting something for free that actually costs us a lot. Moral Letters to Lucilius 42:6. This quote touches on a fundamental but often overlooked truth in our pursuit of material possessions and achievements. Seneca's words highlight a reality that is more pressing today than ever. All accumulations have hidden costs. Think about it. How often do we buy things without considering their true value or impact on our lives? In affluent societies, the emphasis on acquiring more can blind us to the hidden consequences: stress, clutter, even financial strain. So, what should we be considering? When Seneca mentions something being devoid of anything pleasant or containing more unpleasantness, he's asking us to weigh the true benefits against the hidden costs. Often, we believe that acquiring material goods or pursuing ambitious goals will bring us happiness, but we don't account for the hidden price tags in terms of our time, peace, and well-being. Let's make this concept actionable. As you go through your day, pause and look around your living space. Each item you see, whether it's an old gadget in your garage, a piece of furniture that's rarely used, or even a thought lingering in your mind, ask yourself, do I need this? Is this excess? What is the true cost of this? What is this really costing me? The answers might surprise you. Take storage fees, for instance. We often think free means no cost, but the reality is just the opposite. That widget you got for free at a conference may be sitting in your drawer, unnoticed and unused. Yet it's taking up space, and more importantly, mental bandwidth. The clutter around us can lead to clutter in our minds, making it harder to find clarity and peace. Remember the author's words: what we get for free has its own cost, even if it is just the storage fees. Seneca's wisdom here isn't just about physical clutter, it's about mental and emotional clutter too. We accumulate thoughts, worries, and anxieties that can weigh us down, drawing our attention and energy away from what truly matters. So, how do we move forward? Let's contextualize this with a modern example. Imagine your smartphone filled with apps. How many do you actually use daily? How many merely add to your mental load without providing real value? Deleting the unnecessary ones can free up space, both in your device and in your mind. This same principle applies to our lives. I encourage you to take the Stoic challenge today. Identify at least one item, physical or mental, that's costing you more than it's worth. It could be a subscription service you never use, a piece of clothing that simply doesn't fit anymore, or even a nagging thought that no longer serves you. Let it go. You'll be amazed at the freedom that follows. By simplifying our lives and cutting down on costly things, we make room for what truly matters: peace, clarity, and genuine contentment. As Seneca wisely puts it, understanding that all accumulations have hidden costs helps us to focus on what brings lasting value. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you found today's discussion valuable, please like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on living a Stoic life. Let's continue to strive for a life of practical virtue and inner peace. Stay resilient, stay disciplined, and stay serene. Until next time, this is Alexius Varro, signing off.